Hey guys, so we're just going to do a quick video testing the frictional forces in my clamp here. So I just redid the jig so that it's facing downwards, and we'll use the same test rig, the bucket, and the weight. I already got a 5-pound weight in there, and I don't think it's going to take that much for it to slide. So we'll just get this over with. This here. Okay, make sure that's steady. So we got another 5-pound. Throw that in. Okay. So far so good. Another 5-pound. That makes 15. And it's still holding. Okay. Now we'll put another 10. So that's 15, 25. Just want to hold it here. Still not going anywhere. It's kind of funny. Okay. Oh, I actually think the steel plate is pulling through. So here's another 10. It's going to be 35. Okay, so what's happening is see here, the plate, let's back up. So the plate here is actually sliding through before this. Excuse me. So I probably need to, so the plate's coming out. So I'd probably need to put a stopper or something here somehow. But that's 35 pounds pulling on it, and the plate's slipping before the actual clamp. Mind you, there's a little bit of texture on the rail, of course. The real rail would be aluminum. And there it goes. But the clamp's okay. So clamp did move. The C-track stud went through at 35 pounds. But it just kind of gives you an idea of, you know, kind of how much force it can take. Okay, so I'll keep updating. Thanks for checking this out.